Why, hello there, ladies and gentlemen. Well, I've returned. I've returned. No, 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 not me. Whoops. I have returned. It is I, Joe the Ghoul. Okay, so, what was the plan?
Man, oh man, that was a hell of a fight, wasn't it? Those barrels getting blown apart was the best thing I've seen in weeks.
Has anyone
Uh,
ever told you that you're a bloodthirsty maniac?
yes. Yes, many people have told me this.
Anyone ever told you that you have the cutest little smile when you try to get angry?
Nice try, Reese. Nice try.
Oh, that's what they're talking. Okay. I've never heard that ever. I've never ever heard that ever. Like, ever. Well, I'm learning something new every single day. That, like, they actually apparently had something to say. Okay. Well, oh. Oh, that's an easy spot. I remember that. Now for us to modulate the radiation and run straight through the... Oh, man. I'm so glad I don't have the pain train perk. Let's just hope that I don't accidentally step on someone. Here, I could almost just fast travel there. Save a fusion core or two. Just save a core, fast travel. Yeah. Everybody say, save a core, choose a fast travel. Well, I don't give a dang about nothing. Alright. Oh.
You got it, joking.
Ow. Ow, ow, ow. I'm so dead. I don't think I got the stim packs. Alright. Well, I hope you're not feeding them with me. Alright. Ooh. Oh, wait, no, I can't use this. I'm like, last time I played... Oh, 10mm. Anything else? Nope. Goodbye. I was never here. Oh, man. Using power armor is so weird. I'm not used to being able, like, I'm used to being able to just power through everything, but it's like, like, usually I can power through everything in spite of my build, which is supposed to be Sniper Sneaky Boy, or Sneaky Sniper Boy. Like, the powering through is just a side effect of, like, being a very, very high level. Oh, a comfy pillow. That'll be useful. I should... Oh, wait, no, I can't. I could discover it and then, like,
Come
what exploded? The world, mate. Oh, no. Is he gonna follow me? Well, if he ain't gonna follow me, this is pretty boring. That should get me across the way.
Drop dead already.
My good sir, it do help you realize that you're trying to chase down a guy in a suit of power armor with only a tire iron. I mean... I'm... F5.
Let's do this, metal man.
Let's do this! Oh, there's doggy. Let's see, where are you? Can I hit you? No. Alright. Well,
Give up now. I'll make it quick.
I'm... He doesn't want to get too close. I don't like this, because it's like you just slide right off here. And it's like, it's so close.
Feel that? It's called fear.
Right now I'm just feeling like my health only being at like 30% in a suit of power armor. I don't know if I'm supposed to be feeling the same thing as you. Right now I'm feeling a mild annoyance because I can't just jump right where I want to. Oh, right here I should be able to. No. Where'd he go? Come on, man. I'm over here. Just waiting. Watching and F5. Okay.
How much you got
Oh,
left
yeah,
in you?
yeah, yeah. For some reason I can't jump up there. I think that it realizes what I'm trying to do. Oh, I could've. Oh, man. Man, I wish that that random encounter was here. Might have been like something good, like a gunner. Ha! I can defeat you.
I'm just getting
Oh!
started.
Oh! Oh! I actually defeated him, was it? Oh no! 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 Man, this has been like the least productive run, and it was supposed to be the most productive run. Cause it was like right there.
A big mistake, rookie.
Haha, I have defeated you. Never mind. Haha, I have defeated him. He cannot follow me into the police station. Oh, he's in here! He's in here! Ha! I have defeated him. Well, ha! He has defeated himself. Anything? Nah. Scribe Reese. Knight Halen.
How's the tech recovery going? Find it yet?
So literally there was like nothing suggesting to me that like other than like, so is there anything, but, and it's like, because it's like I would always, okay, so it's like, okay.
Here it is.
Good. I was hoping you'd bring it back safely. Here, tech will always be in demand. Let me know if you're anxious to get back out there.
Affirmative.
Great. You've got the...
Oh, that's good to know that you can just skip it by... Oh, you can't, okay. What was the thing I was gonna get when I leveled up last? Or no, I need to get gun nut at some point in time. I need to increase my intelligence. That's what I need to keep doing. My intelligence and my endurance. I actually need to get life giver, or I need to get like I need to get like more fusion core, longer lasting fusion cores, because those are going to be super useful, especially once they actually get closer to the level at which you know you need to be to get the Gauss Rifle, because it's like I don't have a million stim packs with me, especially if it takes me to, like, say for example, a place where there's lots of super mutants. Specifically super behemoths. Well, at least I can just sneak in the back door. Tab. No, I can... Alright, so intelligence, get... Yeah, one more intelligence, because that's what we're gonna keep going for. We're gonna get all of the way up in intelligence, and then we're gonna go to the library, and then we're gonna get the 11th thing of intelligence after that. Hopefully it sends us to the library, but if not, well, we got the health for it. We got the health and the armor for it. I can, the best part about this is that I can just go in the back door now at Monsignor Plaza and just, like, skip, like, 90% of the combat. I smell
End of the line.
concrete. Whoa, I've never seen, I mean, I've seen AI jump, but I've never seen, like, an AI jump.
Come on, tough guy. Come on.
Let us take you. Oh, wait, no, I don't know where to take you. Oh, another one that's jumping. There's gunfight over that away. I don't remember what's over that away. I think that that's like a scripted gunfight. No, that's not a scripted gunfight. Oh, laundry machine. Oh, bottle caps. Yes, it'll be useful later on. In case you couldn't tell, I enjoy running. It's way better. Running to my next location rather than, like, fast travel. It simply is better. Oh boy, boop, beep, beep, beep. Beep, 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 beep. Feral ghouls, come to my aid! Oh. Yes! No! Wait, wait, wait. I need to real quick just make sure that everyone's okay. Okay, everyone's safe and sound. Okay. That's all I needed to know. Man, I don't think I've ever accidentally, like, came to this place because I've always came to it, like, on purpose. I think the very first time I was actually looking for it was half as part of the quest, but, like, the only reason I activated the quest was because it's like I forgot where it was, or I couldn't figure out where it was. Turns out all I had to do was go to the, well, police station, take a right, and then take a left or something. Alright, so I should be safe from that beep beep beep. Oh boy, it's a beep beep beep! Not me. Just lots of beep beep beep. Oh man. This is perfect. I got beep 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 to fight my battles for me. I thought. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy! Oh shoot, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead! Oh. Well, I'm dead anyway. I didn't mean to die. Oh, I had to keep going this way. Yeah, I'm gonna need to take up my power armor and get it fixed. So now. And this was supposed to be the good power armor. They told me this was supposed to be the good power armor. They lied. Oh, I'm here. Not me. Whoever it is not me. I'm not over here. I'm over there. I wish that I could just, like, throw a rock and be like, yeah, no, I'm actually over there, bro.
Nothing there now.
I was actually where I was supposed to be the first time. Alright, I got a minute and 40 seconds. Alright! Oh shoot, I forgot what the thing was that I said. That was like what I was like. That was what I was gonna say. I don't know why I'm talking so much. I'm totally sorry, guys. Alright.
Someone there?
No! No! And no. Have I ever been in the back door?
Everything's starting to sound like footsteps these days.
Oh, a big boom.
What the?
Four! Wait, no, I'm just running, I'm just running, I'm just running. Okay, what way do I go? What way do I go? Oh, there's the door. 42 seconds. Okay, can we fast travel back to the police station, get the stuff, and do it in 38 seconds? I don't think that Fallout 4 is gonna load fast enough. No, it's taken 48 seconds. It's like I got 18 seconds, 17 seconds, 16 seconds, 15 seconds, 14 seconds, 13 seconds, 12 seconds, 11 seconds, 10 seconds, 9 seconds. Oh no, 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 no. Please load, please load, please load, please load, please load, please load. No, it's beeping. It's beeping. Oh my. This is why, kids, you always like know exactly the way to get to wherever you're going. Alright, so I have like 11 strength. Alright, map. Can I fast travel yet? Yes! Yeah, as long as it keeps sending me to like quick to go to places, you know, like uh I haven't experienced this bug in quite a while. That was surprising. I haven't experienced that bug in like quite a while, like I said. All right, so I'm just gonna. So I was actually able to do 2 in like 15 minutes, and I probably would. This is not gonna disappear. Like I hope this never disappears.
Good. You're back. Hope that means you recovered the tech.
Scribe Halen.
I hope you brought that artifact back in one piece.
Here it is.
Great. I'll get this documented. I'm always looking for tech. Let me know.
Affirmative.
Perfect. Here's...
I just want to know what like my actual like. And then my intelligence is 8. Is no, it's 8, and then it's like up. So my actual intelligence is 11, and then it's gonna go up even more. But yeah, that's good enough for now. So it's like I can just save and new save and backstreet apparel. Okay.